How to turn off parental control on PS5. First of all, move into your home screen of PlayStation and then click on Settings at the top right. Inside Settings, move into Family and Parental Controls. Now in here, head over to PS5 console restrictions. You have to enter your console restriction passcode. Once you have entered, it will land you on this interface. Head over to User Creation and Guest Login. You have to set it to Allow. Then click on Parental Controls for new users. You have to click on this Ease. You have to change the settings to United States and Don't Restrict in Ease. Now go back and over here you need to make sure that all of these options are set to Don't Restrict. Once that's been done, now go back and head over to Family and Parental Controls and then move into Family Management. Select your specific account. Well, for the playtime settings, you need to set the settings to Don't Restrict. Also set the No Restriction for Parental Controls, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can turn off parental control on PS5. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.